Uh-huh. Now these are cool, except because we're at the ocean, using these like aluminum prefab house materials, they'll just rust. And what you definitely don't want is your interior skeleton of your house rusting away in a year or two. Yeah, that's not bad.
How are you?
Hey, how are you?
It's all stainless steel cabinets. This set is for outdoor kitchen.
Now, is your stainless steel 304?
304, yeah.
And you can't do 316. We build at the beach, so we have saltwater issues. The salt water will rust our 304 stainless steel within a year, but 316 can last. So we
Yeah,
can't do 304,
if
but
you
we
have
can
a
do
requirement for the
316.
material, yeah,
Yeah,
we can customize.
you can do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
but the 316 maybe be more expensive.
Yeah, it's pricier. It is
Yeah,
pricier.
but quality is stronger.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Huh, that's not bad. You have your catalog.
Yeah. This is my name card and our catalog. Maybe I can add your WeChat and
谢谢。
send the e-catalog to you.
Yeah. Can you?
Okay.
Thank you. This is how we do the business cards here.
I'm Lumi. I was
Lumi.
already sent your WeChat.
Outstanding.
Okay.
Ah, yep, there you are, Lumine. Outstanding. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
And then I'll add you and I'll respond. Thank you, Lumi. Can you take this catalog? Thank you. Thank you, Lumi.
Yes.
Oh, this is quite nice.
Outstanding skill.
Ah, I like that actually. Now, the issue becomes we have the same issue, right, with the salt water, that the rail and the hardware also has to be corrosion resistant because we at the beach. So that salt water will eat these away in 1 year time if they're 304 stainless steel. But if it's zinc alloy or if it's 316 stainless steel, then maybe it can work. But I know 316 is expensive, especially for these little things. So we look for zinc alloy for these little rails. So I don't know if you have that available.
镀铬的可能不行，要用真的304
We use a really 304 hardware.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No zinc alloy?
Of course,
Okay.
no.
Okay.
It's the 304.
Okay. Thank you. We'll go down to the next one. Yeah, so that's important, guys. Like, if we just like the way that look, which it looks amazing, but if we buy that at a 304 stainless steel rating, it'll rust away. So you guys will have this beautiful house. It looks great, and in a year, all your drawers are falling apart. All your shower heads are falling apart, and so unless we get the more expensive 316, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense for you guys. You know, of course we could, try to sneak it and save money and whatever, but that won't work for us in the long term, right? So we got to make sure that we get you guys the quality that you need.